Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. Video, I'd like to do one on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's setting for device care. And this may be applicable for the S23 and the tablet S9, I'm pretty sure also has this, so I should really say I guess the Galaxy series phones and tablets have this. So first thing you want to do, we'll just dive right in here. Go into your settings and scroll down to device care. Okay, and you can hit optimize now. This takes care of all of your optimization of your phone. I don't really want to get into this, could be misleading. This is a video for device care updating. This doesn't update itself, you have to do it manually. So I'm not really going to get into device care and all the different settings because there's a lot of different settings here. I mainly and primarily want to show you how to keep this up to date. I'll do a video again on how to use each one of these, which they're pretty self-explanatory and simple, but the updating takes a little bit of digging into. They kind of buried it. So again, you want to go into, I'll repeat this here, go into your settings, go into device care, and then the top three little buttons in the top right corner, you want to tap and then go into settings. Okay, and then about device care, and at the bottom, if you need to update, it'll say update security engine. Okay, which I'm going to tap, and it will go through and update and get the most secure information to keep my phone performance wise. So security engine updated, so it's also keeping my device up to date. Okay, it still says update security engine. That's not supposed to be there once it's latest version, okay, already installed. So that's not supposed to show, it's supposed to say up to date, but you can check it with that. And I'm probably going to need to reboot, but latest version already installed. So that's the primary part of this video, is to show you how to update the device care. The latest version is 13.8.06.11. So if yours isn't that, you don't have the most up-to-date version. So that's my video on device care and how to update the security engine. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my videos. And until next time, I'm out.